Hi, today I'm going to show you how to broadcast your own radio station, Shoutcast or Icecast, with Sam Broadcaster and be able to take Skype calls all on one PC. There's already one YouTube on how to do this, but I didn't like how that was done. You have to shuffle around volume settings and such. With this setup, you don't. So the only things you need, first of all, you need headphones plugged into your speaker jack. So don't use speakers, use headphones so that your microphone does not pick up your music. And the second thing you need is software called Virtual Audio Cables. It's $30. It works great. So the first thing you want to do, launch Virtual Audio Cable control panel. And you want to set 2 cables. After you've set 2 cables, you can close that. Now you go into the audio repeater, which comes with virtual audio cables. You actually want to launch it 3 times. You're going to have 3 instances of this running. The first one, you're going to do line 1 to line 2. The second one, microphone to line 2. And the third one, line 1 to speakers. Now, in Sam Broadcaster, you go into your config, audio mixer pipeline, air out, and you set your output device to line 1. Now, in your voice FX config, the record sound card device is line 2, and you set it to encoders, record to pipeline and skip output. Finally, in Skype's options, audio settings, you set the microphone to your microphone and speakers to line 1. Now, when you're playing music, as soon as you hit the push to talk button, or you can lock talk, you will hear your Skype callers. And you can talk back to them, and it will all be sent directly to the encoder, so everyone on the net will hear the call. Hope that helps you out.